Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Notepad++ on Windows. We can uninstall Notepad++ by two ways. One is via the Windows settings and other one is by the control panel. So to uninstall by Windows settings, press Windows I. This will open up the settings. Go to apps, installed apps. Search for Notepad++. Click on the three dots, uninstall. Click on uninstall. So this will bring up the pop-up to uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. So now the uninstall is completed. Click on close. So now we can see that Notepad++ doesn't appear here in the apps. So it has been uninstalled. So this is one way to uninstall Notepad++ on Windows. The other method to uninstall Notepad++ is via control panel. So press Windows R, type in control, and give enter. So this will open up the control panel. Click on programs, programs and features. Click on Notepad++. Right click and give uninstall. So this opens up the pop-up to uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click yes. Okay, so now the uninstall is completed. Click close. And here you can see that the Notepad++ application is removed from control panel. Okay, so this is the other way to uninstall Notepad++. Post uninstalling Notepad++ via the settings and or the control panel, we also need to check that if the Notepad++ folder is present in program files. So go to C, program files. See if you have Notepad++ present here. If it is present, you need to delete the folder. Sometimes it doesn't get deleted automatically when we uninstall via control panel or the settings. So in that case, you need to manually go to C program files and delete it from there. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Notepad++ on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. So you can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.